Hey, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Travis.
And I'm Martin.
And we are doing the volcano.
And we made it with paper and cardboard.
It's right there.
All taped up.
Yep. And
Sprayed
painted brown.
For the experiment, we're going to be using elephant toothpaste for the explosion. We need dish soap and yeast.
And we'll be comparing between 3% hydrogen peroxide and 12% hydrogen peroxide.
First of all, we're gonna start with 3% hydrogen peroxide, and we're just gonna pour that in right about there.
And next up, some dish soap.
Alright, right now I'm mixing up some warm water and a measured amount of yeast. Now you pour in the warm water and yeast. It's coming up slowly. This is just the 3%.
As you can see, it's starting to overflow now. For this one, we'll be experimenting with 12% hydrogen peroxide.
And some dish soap.
Now the warm water and yeast. As you saw, the 12% concentration reacted much quicker and larger than the 3%. That's because it has a higher concentration, which causes more frequent molecular collisions. That causes it to release a larger amount of oxygen gas.
Now, let's talk about the science behind this. Travis?
So, the core of the reaction is hydrogen peroxide. It breaks down naturally over time, but it happens at a very slow rate. That is why we use a
catalyst. A catalyst is a substance that lowers the activation energy to speed up the reaction, which in that case is yeast. Yeast is filled with many protein enzymes that sped up the reaction in the hydrogen peroxide.
But before we add the yeast, we have to add the dish soap into the hydrogen peroxide, because the dish soap traps all the oxygen and allows the reaction to happen. And
That's the science behind it.
Yeah. Now let's talk about volcanoes. Volcanoes are ruptures in Earth's crust that allow hot magma and volcanic gases and hot ashes to escape from a magma chamber below the surface. They form primarily where tectonic plates collide, pull apart, or over localized hotspots, acting as earth pressure releases valves.
so 3 fun facts about volcanoes: they create over 80% of the Earth's surface. And another fun fact is that the largest volcano is actually on Mars. And the third fun fact is that they don't always erupt. And I think that one is the most surprising, because we always have this idea about volcanoes that they always erupt. So yeah.
And that was our volcano.
Thank you everybody for watching.
Thank you.